Let's get it, boys.
Mosey, you made this?
Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy out here. Had this idea of, like, going up on Facebook and like looking for bikes for sale, and you pretty much like reviewing them, like the prices, whether or not it's worth it. Maybe it can help y'all out. So when y'all ready to shop for a four-wheeler, y'all know what to do. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna look at the Banshees and the 450s. But whatever I feel like, really. But you see this one right here. Person wants 38 for it, and he said ready to go. Hit him up. Obviously, it has to have work. I mean, it is a drag Banshee. So, well, I don't see anything from here. Like, I don't see no cool heads or anything. All I see is the wheel swing arm and the exhaust. So, if I was to want to get this bike, I would have to text him first just to see what the mods are done to it. Because obviously, I mean, if you got it looking like this and there's nothing done in the engine, you pretty much wasted your time. For those who, okay, this guy's really rude. He wants 3,000 for this 2001. I would give him at most. This thing is dirty, beat up, paint chipping. Probably spray painted it, honestly. You can pipes, T5s are bronze. Because obviously this bike is beat up. Plastic, I'm not a fan of. Alright, I would probably give him like 28 for it. 28 if that. This bike is not worth no 3K. And I don't know whether or not he has a title or not, but if he does not have a title and he's asking 3K, this is not worth it at all. I mean, I know it's an A-arm and it's a 2001, but obviously this bike has been beat. And I mean, you see it has a boost bottle. Somebody was in the head before, obviously, because it's 2001 two-strokes. They blow up like every year. But yeah, I wouldn't give him 3,000 for that. He's like pushing it. 35 Charlotte. Okay. 1997. Pink. What is that? Pink or red? It got a red frame, red fox grill. And this blacked out. Honestly, carb sync runs good, 0 to 2 hours a minute. I would say this bike is, I would pay him the 35 for it. If it had a title, I'd pay him the 35. Without title, 3K or 32. I would not give him the full 35 if he did not have a title. But this is a really clean bike. He needs to add more pictures to that. So 7, all stock, fresh rebuild, single carb, good fun to ride. 35. Another one. I'd give him like 32 for this. 30 priced. I know a lot of people want them, but they are really overpriced. Comes with bill of sale, asking 3K. I would 100% give him 3K. Even though I know this is in Philly and this bike has been beat in the road. I mean, like, you can tell the tires, but this is a pretty nice Banshee. I don't know why I like this one so much, but it's clean. I'd give him 28. Pipes might need to be repolished. I would give him 28. And then the other 200 would be me trying to get the title. I'd give him 35 for this. What year is it? Is it J-arm? That's J-arm. Ugh. Is that J-arm? I think it is J-arm. I give you 3K. Just because it's J-arm. 3K 28. Bro, 35. It is a clean Banshee, I'm not going to lie. It does look really clean, but I would not pay no 35 for that. He priced this just right. I'd pay him this much. It's clean. It has the purple fenders. I mean, I don't know a lot about Banshees, but I think the purples are rare. I would pay him 28 for this. Yeah, this is A-arm, so that last one was J-arm, but I'd pay him 28 for this. I'll talk him down to like 25 though. So if this has a title, I mean he should. It's a 2001. If this has a title and he's asking 28. This is a good bike to get. Very good bike to get. I give you 3,000 on a good day. Oh, well, you are very attached to your bike, obviously. Because there's no way in the world you're getting 3,600. Maybe 3K. I give you 26 for this. Bro, the plastics is beat. Beat. You can see the white in the plastics. Tires are like bull, so only thing good on it is the T5s. Are those even T5s? The silencers look like T5s, so we're saying they're T5s, but 26 for it. Yay, need new pistons, not running. Title in hand, powder coat. I give you 18. 18. It is a pretty bike, I ain't gonna cap, but needs new tires. I'll change the front lights. Those are like, and then it's powder coated real nice. I'd give him 18 the way it is. 18, that's it. 28, good luck, bud. 4,000? He has the title. 2005, 4. I give him 35. This is a pretty clean Banshee, and it's a 2005. And they stopped making them in 2006, so this is like a fairly new, maybe like 20 years old, but it's newer for a Banshee. See, the frame looks nice and good. I could just see that one little buff right there, little from riding it. I like that white Banshee too, but I'd give him 35 for this all day. Look like it got stock suspension and everything. Yep, just pipes and a graphics kit. That probably came with that year, and the little grill, handlebars, and upgraded tires. But I'd give him 35, especially if it has a tire. Definitely would get that. He's selling the plastics, right? But I'm gonna give him a price for the bike. I'd give him 25, if that. Features that come with it. We can talk. The fact that he said we can talk, he knows that 35 is a super over the load price. 3K. Fuck it, man. 2003, I give him 3K. The front end is lowered, has to be. The way it looks. Yeah, for sure. Okay. The fact that he wants he has a 2001 Banshee. It is clean. It's okay. He wants 42. This bike better have the best engine that money can buy, because this is not worth 42. Maybe 30, not even 35, bro. 32. You see, you got a cool head on it. You got T5s. Beat up clutch cover. You obviously did something in the water pump. You got Alba A-arms, which are like 50 bucks. You got regular hole shots. Stock front end suspension. Just painted black tires, painted hub, painted frame. Mayer gas tank cover. Yeah, bro. 32, if that. If the engine has work, I'll give you 32. Other than that, it ain't worth it. 35 has fresh rebuild on it. Okay, you have paperwork. Hyper B-Lux. Okay. This is what I don't like. If you're selling, like, your bikes, this contributes to the selling price, but you're not going to get all your money back. I hope he knows that. Oh, so the bike doesn't even run. New coil needs to be taken to shop to find out why it won't run. Okay. So, oh, you are the shop. So, you don't take it to the shop. So, my guess is there's something way more bigger than what he's saying, because obviously he's been in it. And I'm pretty sure this is his garage. Like, if you're bringing your bike to a shop that looks like this, don't even, I would never do it. But 35, bro, I give you 2K. Just because it is not running. I don't care if it has like a fresh top end rebuild. The wheels, you can keep the wheels, but no way. 35 for that. If it has a title, and it's 2000. The plastics is janky. The seat is janky. even these, they kind of look like they were bent. The axle has rust on it. And the pipes look clean though. That's good. The wheels are really nice. Yeah, I give you 2K, if that. That's crazy. 2K. I give you 2Ks if you let me have the wheels, but if you won't let me have the wheels, I give you 15. And that's good. That's pretty much just a roller at that point. But yeah, this is the last one. Okay, he wants 35 for it. Dot owned with title. Switched to been rebuilt. Wiseco piston, cool head, Toomey T6 pipe. The back tires look okay. Front tires, I would have them match in the back. DG bumper, I hate that. Pipes are very nice. You want 35? I'll give you 28, bro. 28. That's it. Yeah, this bike is worth 2,800. 35 is kind of pushing it, dog. I'm not gonna cap. It's a 2000. You just have it rebuilt. You didn't specify whether or not it was bored over or anything, so you don't know if there's no engine work. It's pretty much a Banshee with just different pipes. Alright, so if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all leave a like, make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe. If you want to see another one of these videos, just let me know. I'll do a different type of bike. Like I'll do the 450s. There's a lot of 450s up for sale, so you know, whew, I could do a bunch of the 450. I could do every single 450, LTR, YFZ, TRX, all that. So you know, if y'all would just want to see another one of these, make sure y'all comment. You know, like your boy's video. More videos to come. And yeah, I'll see y'all soon. Peace.